जाए, यहाँ अमन शांति का माहौल बनाया जाए और जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों के हक और उनकी भावनाओं और आकांक्षाओं के मुताबिक आगे की रणनीति बने।
राणा साहब, डू यू एक्सपेक्ट एनी इलेक्टोरल आउटकम्स फ्रॉम दिस मीटिंग? यहाँ इलेक्शन होगा।
Everything is not about elections. Right now we are at the crossroads of history in Jammu and Kashmir, and dialogue is the only way forward. There is no reason to sabotage the dialogue. We are going with an open mind. Dr. Farooq Abdullah is the tallest of the tall leaders in Jammu and Kashmir, whether somebody likes it or not. And he is the best person suited to represent Jammu and Kashmir and represent the people's aspirations of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh. And he has assured us, like always, that all three regions will be represented equitably and properly.
Many smaller units in Jammu have protested that they are not being equitably represented. तो उनको आप क्या कहेंगे? Like शिवसेना या दूसरी छोटी जमातें हैं।
मैं उस पर कुछ नहीं कहूँगा, मैं सिर्फ यही कहूँगा डायलॉग होना चाहिए। जम्मू की जो भावनाएं हैं उनकी भी कदर होनी चाहिए, कश्मीर की भावनाओं की भी कदर होनी चाहिए, लद्दाख की भावनाओं की भी कदर होनी चाहिए। The Prime Minister of India has called for an inclusive dialogue. The party will be represented by Dr. Farooq Abdullah. Jammu and Kashmir will be represented by Dr. Farooq Abdullah. What comes out of the dialogue will be after the dialogue.
Do you want
that you will hear once the meeting is over.
Sir, do you want statehood with special status?
Who doesn't want this state?
With special status.
You are a UT, वो भी 2T. It's a state carved out by Maharaja
With
Gulab
special
Singh
status, sir?
and state carved out by the Dogras.
With special status, sir?
And the Dogras will never want the state to be.
Sir, with special status?
Of course, our own identity, our job protection, our land protection, everything should be done.